Hey, so if your settings in ShareX are not saving, yeah, that can be really frustrating. You change something, restart the app, and everything resets. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this issue. First, try running ShareX as administrator. Sometimes permission issues prevent settings from being saved. Next, check the folder where ShareX is installed or storing settings. Make sure it has right permissions. If the config files are set to read only, yeah, ShareX won't be able to save changes. Disable that option. Make sure you exit ShareX properly from the system tray. Force closing it can prevent settings from saving. Your antivirus, yeah, might be blocking changes to files. Allow ShareX or temporarily disable protection. Make sure ShareX is updated. Older versions can have bugs related to saving settings. If settings are corrupted, reset the settings folder. ShareX will recreate fresh config files. And finally, reinstall ShareX completely if the problem continues. So yeah, that's how to fix ShareX settings not saving. One of these steps should solve the problem and keep your settings intact. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Hey,